Hey guys, we're going to walk around the 2023 Rockwood Mini Lite 2506. This camper is 25 feet 11 inches long, 8 feet wide, has a dry weight of 5,528 pounds, has a gross vehicle weight of 6,974 pounds. Let's take a walk around the outside and the inside, see what all they have updated in 2023, and see what this beautiful camper has to offer. So here we are by the door of the camper. Of course, you have the More Ride step above solid stair system, so you don't fall when you're walking out of the camper. Walking down the side of the camper here, you have the nice rail system, so you can mount the table that comes with the camper or the griddle that comes with it. And of course, you have the TV mount as well as the two speakers, so that way you can watch TV while you're on the outside of the camper. On the 2506, you have an outside kitchen, so you do have yourself a 2-burner cooktop and a nice little fridge for you to have all your kids' juice pouches or the adult juice pouches for when you're outside. Here on the back of the camper, Rockwood's done something kind of unique. They've put this nice big storage tray so you can take anything with you, and you can store it on the outside, and it slides in and out for nice, easy access. So here we are inside of the 2506, and as you are, I'm sure, are aware by watching this video, this is a front kitchen model. So Rockwood does it again with the solid surface countertops, nice 2-basin sink with the sink covers. This is the Newport ash cabinetry, so you have solid surface doors, real wood cabinetry, nice 3-burner stove here with a nice little oven underneath. Beautiful kitchen, nice color here, makes everything feel nice and open. You do have a nice 12-volt refrigerator right over there that helps keep everything cool as long as your battery disconnects on. It is refrigerating, plenty of storage inside of there. Again, with this being a front kitchen, lots of storage, lots of cabinetry space. Rockwood, this is one of my favorite floor plans. Right over here, you do have a nice little slide here. This specific one has the stone color with theater seating. You can do a small dinette in here, so that way you can eat or play cards at the table, whichever you would like to do. So right over here, if you're sitting there playing cards or sitting in the theater seating, you want to watch a movie, you have yourself a small TV. Right below that, you have the head unit and a couple of speakers for the sound system, and of course that ties into the 2 speakers on the outside. Below that, you have yourself a nice little fireplace to keep things nice and toasty during those cold nights. Here we are inside the bathroom of this Rockwood Mini Lite, and of course you have yourself a nice porcelain toilet, plenty of counter space in here, nice rounded shower with the shower miser that Rockwood puts in all of their campers. Skylight, of course, over the top, so you have nice tall people taking a nice shower. Nice vanity with the mirror, so your wife can do all of her makeup and make sure she looks pretty for your date. And of course, you got yourself a nice little sink, so you can do your brush your teeth and make sure you don't have any plaque building up. So here we are in the bedroom of this camper. Of course, I'm in the back side of the bedroom, but of course, you have yourself a nice queen bed here, plenty of overhead cabinetry for all your clothes. Cabinet on each side for anything that needs to be hung, like your wife's dresses, or any suits and ties that you may have. You have yourself a nice cabinetry back here, and of course a TV for that way you can watch any kind of romantic movies at night. And of course there's plenty of storage underneath the bed. You got yourself a nice little compartment there and 2 dressers underneath here for all your socks. But yeah, nice in the bedroom again by Rockwood in the 2506. Thanks for joining us again in this walkthrough of the 2023 Rockwood 2506. Again, my name is Dalton. I work with RV Wholesalers here. I have this walkthrough as well as many others on our YouTube channel and Facebook and Instagram. Give this one a watch as well as many others. Hope to see you again. Thanks for joining us.